Welcome to Neural Tech Analytics. In today's video, we're diving into a core concept that every aspiring data professional must master: linear algebra. Whether you're building machine learning models, working with deep neural networks, or analyzing massive datasets, linear algebra is the foundation. And the best part? You can do it all in Python using NumPy. So let's get started. Understanding matrix multiplication in NumPy. Let's begin with matrix multiplication, one of the most used operations in linear algebra. In NumPy, you need to be careful. Using input Amira performs element-wise multiplication, not a true matrix product. Import numpy as npx equals nparray 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y equals nparray 6, 23, minus 1, 7, 8, 9. To multiply matrices the right way, use np dot dot or x dot dot y. Result equals x dot dot y print. Result, it displays 28, 64, 67, 181. Also, since Python 3.5, you can use the @ operator print x at np once 3. It displays 615. Identity matrix and inverse. Let's say you want to invert a matrix. You can use numpy.lena lg.invor. From numpy.lena lg import invx equals np.random. randn55mat equals xt.xhash, making it symmetric positive definite inv_mat equals invmat. To verify, print np round mat dot dot inv_mat. This should output an identity matrix which confirms the inversion is correct. QR decomposition. Next, let's look at QR decomposition useful in regression PCA and solving systems. From numpy.lena lg import qrq r equals qrmat print r matrix n r. Here, Q is an orthogonal matrix and R is upper triangular. It's like breaking a matrix into simpler pieces for faster math. Determinant, eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Want to know if a matrix is invertible? Try the determinant. From numpy.lena lg import date print datemonth. A non-zero determinant means it's invertible. Next, compute eigenvalues and eigenvectors, foundational for PCA and understanding variance. From numpy.lena lg import eig vals vex equals eig mat print eigenvalues n vals, solving linear equations. Let's say you have a system ax equals b. You can solve it in one line. From numpy.lena lg import solve a equals np.array 3, 1, 1, 2, b equals np.array 9, 8, x equals solve ab print x. It displays 2, 3. This gives the value of x that satisfies the equation. Least squares and pseudo-inverse. Sometimes, systems don't have an exact solution. That's where least squares and the pseudo-inverse come in. From numpy.lena lg import lstsqx residuals rank s equals lstsq a b rcond equals none. Print least squares solution x, or compute the more. Penrose pseudo-inverse. From numpy.lena lg import pinv print pinva. It displays least squares solution 2, 3, 0.4 to 0.2, minus 0, 2.6, useful when A is not square or not invertible. Overview of common functions. Here's a cheat sheet of commonly used numpy.lena lg functions. Function description. Matrix multiplication inv, inverse of matrix det, determinant eig, eigenvalues and eigenvectors, pinv, move Penrose pseudo-inverse qr, qr decomposition svd, singular value decomposition solve linear equations, ax equals b lstsq least square solution. Example from numpy.lena lg import date print. Date, month, hash compute determinant. That's it. We've covered matrix multiplication, inversion, decomposition, and solving systems, all using NumPy. These tools are essential for data science, AI, finance, and engineering. Practice them daily and you'll level up your numerical thinking fast. At Neural Tech, we offer industry-aligned data analytics training that leads directly to job-ready skills and real-world results. Visit our website to learn more.